Hi there, this is Mrs. Bat, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your homework for today. So I have right here the homework packet that we have been working on. What I'd like you to do is just go ahead and grab it and flip it over. And you will see on the very back we have this review worksheet 1D to 1G. You do have a quiz next class, so this review worksheet will help you review a little bit. Now, the other part of your homework is if we flip back to the front side of that review worksheet, you are going to be doing or working on this how did Betsy Ross know the colors people really wanted for the new national banner. And there's an awful lot of work on here, so I've decided to break it up and let you share these problems with the 4 people that are at your table. So you'll do some work outside of class, and then when you come back, you'll be able to work together to finish the rest of the puzzle. So go back one more page in your homework packet, and you will see that I have a work paper here that goes with that Betsy Ross puzzle. And it has directions on here, and it says you will only do 8 of the problems on this worksheet by yourself. So what that means, each student will do 8, and then you will share the answers with the other people at your table to complete the puzzle when you come back to class. So here's your assignment, okay? Persons A and D, or A and B, are going to be partners, and C and D are going to be partners. And what that means is if you look on the puzzle, basically A is going to do sets 1 and 2 on the left side, and B is going to do sets 1 and 2 on the right side. So let me flip it open for just a second. Do you see that we have a set 1 and a set 1? And so on the left side, person A will do those problems, and on the right side, person B will do those problems. Okay? And then same thing. So it says sets 1 and 2 on the left side are person A. So of course you have to do 2 sets for a total of 8 problems. Set 1 and set 2 for person A, set 1 and set 2 for person B. If you are person C or D, of course you're going to do set 3 of 4 on the left or set 3 and 4 on the right. And so you have to know what seat you're in your class period. Okay, so let's see how we do that. We're going to copy the problem in the workspace on the other side of this page. So you see this is the directions page. If we just flip it over, there's the puzzle there, but on the back of this page you can see that we have room to do all of these puzzles. So you can write down what problem number you're doing here. Okay, of course up here first circle my assignment. If you're person A, then you're going to circle person A. Okay, let me see if I can show this whole thing if I spread it out. Okay, so what we're going to do, if you're person A, this would be the first problem you would do, and you see that is letter O. So all of your problems have letters, and across over here, your partner has numbers. So whatever this label is in front of the problem is what you are going to write here. Okay, so person A started with problem O. Then you're going to copy the problem here. From the puzzle. And then, of course, you're going to show all of your work in the nice, neat rows that we talked about in class. And when you get to a point where you have a final answer, let's say you've simplified this expression and it comes out to something like this, you have your answer, and then you can go ahead and circle that answer. And now what we're going to do with that answer is we're going to go back and write the answer directly underneath that problem. So when you come back to class, you should have an answer written underneath every single problem. And then what's going to happen is the person who did the problems on this side will compare their work to the person over here, and it could be that perhaps problem O got the same answer as problem 5. I'm just making this up. I don't know which one it really matches with. So when you two compare your answers, if you have the same answer to O and 5, then in class what we're going to do is we'll go down to 5 at the bottom, and we put that letter O here. Okay? You won't need to worry about that until you come back to class, because all you really have to do today is write your work on the work paper in nice neat rows, keep track of what letter it is, circle your answer, and then transfer that answer over here. So you'll have 8 problems done, either these 8, these 8, these 8, or these 8, in addition to all problems on the review worksheet on the back.